Matthew Hall ymlaen. Letraws I Taylor Fletcher ar ôl beniad, sef wedi gallu cael y floedd. Rawlinson, bas o'r ateg at Harrison. Yn y cyfle I Fangor falla, Taylor Fletcher I Luke Wall sy'n troi. Conor Rawlinson gyfle I Bangor. Luke Wall syth at y golwr. Paul Harrison a Conor Rawlinson yn ffodus fod yr ergyd yn syth at y golwr. Marriott. Chwilio am Ebi tu cefn I Miley. Yn y cwrt Cosby, sa neb roi cymorth yn y cwrt iddo fo. Miley neb rhwng allan, mae'n bas dath yn ôl I Marriott ar ergyd. O, mae'n taranu hwnna dros y traws, y mudiad da gan y Seintia. Hudson. Bas da I Mullen, dio ddim yn cam sefyll. Edwards ar as i'r cwrs Cosby, yr Edwards yn ymestyn. Mae'n disgyn I Brobl Ebi. O, gwaith da gan Hewitt, dwi'n meddwl. Gath y gwiriad yn da hi dros y traws. Cyfla euraidd arall yn cael ei gwastraffu gan y Seintia newydd. Outlet Brasgami drwy'r cylch canol. Lledu'r chwarae I Spender. Mullen cynnig I hun fel arfer. Brasgami i'r cwrt Cosby. Cael ei faglu. Na, mae'r dyfarnwr. Mae'n gic gornel. O'na mhiaeth o gicor Smotyn ar dacol na. Na, medda Nick Pratt. Dau o dîm reoli Dumbarton, Ian Durant, Stephen Aitken y rheolwr. Dumbarton yma yng ngwpan Iron Brew nos Sadwrn nesa. Mullen cael ei faglu gan Darlington, Brobl. Darlington yn adennill y meddiant I Fangor. Goset wedyn yn y flaen Brobl. Holland, llithre mewn I Ron Edwards. Gyfle i'r Seintia newydd yn gynnar yn yr ail hannar. Matthew Hall ar arbediad ar y postyn agosa. Brobl. Geisio ymdibi Miley, groesio da. Teg at Ebi ar y postyn agosa. Kennedy yn grismonach y bethau. A mae Ron Edwards wedi manteisio ar gamgymeriad erchyll gan Tom Kennedy yn cwrt Cosby I hun. Trydydd o'r tymor Ron Edwards I ail yn y bydd Fangor. Bwl beniad gan Taylor Fletcher, Hewitt. O, so wedi Cironas o gallu ryddhau. Luke Wall, Holmes ar leithio'r dacl, mae'n disgyn I Brobl. Marriott ar draws I Ebi ar y postyn pella. Mae Ron Edwards, y mudiad gwych gan y pencampwyr. 19 munud o'r ail hannar di chwarae. A mae Ron Edwards di dyblu mantais y tîm cartra. Siawns wrth i'r ben ar Fangor rwan. Wall. Zama ar ras drwy canol teg at Zama, mae'n dod. Zama dan bwysau gan Rawlinson, thynnu ar draws I Taylor Fletcher. Mewn I Benbolita, thynnu nôl I Rittenberg. Rergyd cael ei thynnu ar draws y postyn pella. Draper sydd drwy canol tu allan, mae Mullen. Mae'na 3 ar y postyn pella. Mullen. Camu heibio I Goset, thynnu ar draws, mae'n disgyn yn ôl I Mullen. 3 ar y postyn pella, uned I Brobl, mae'n uchel I Brobl. Wastraffus gan y Seintia am y drydedd. Mae'n dal gan fynd. Brobl. Mynd I hun, Brobl! Gol o'r safonycha gan Ryan Brobl yn coroni perfformiad y Seintia newydd. 4edd gol o'r tymor iddo fo. Y Seintia newydd tair, Bangor dim. Scott, an accomplished performance by your team tonight.
Yeah, I thought we were brilliant. Second half, especially. First half we did okay, did enough, but I thought, you know, the longer the game goes on, we'll get chances, and that was the way it turned out. And obviously, just saying to Az there, he saved a few of them up because he's had a couple of chances that have gone over or whatever. So pleased for him, and then to round it off there with Ryan Brobble's finish, great strike.
Chi gafodd y gol gyntaf am manteisio ar gamgymeriad?
Ie, ti'n gwybod, nath o just dod I fi a if you just rhoi y laces trwy'r bel a ti'n gwybod, nath o mynd i'r top gornel a ti'n gwybod, o'n i'n hapus I sgorio a ti'n gwybod, nath ni, dwi'n meddwl, o'n i'n heiddi ennill heddi.
We were fairly happy with how we played first half. We tried to play as much football as we could, against the way that they pressed. And I certainly thought that we played better than what we did a few weeks back, but again came in at the same scoreline. But like I say, any type of mistake, any type of hiccup from the team, they're likely to take advantage of it. They are, they will punish it. There's no doubt about that, and that's why they are where they are in the league, and that's why that's why they finish where they finish every season, and they've done that for many years before this season. So no surprise there, and I think that's why we've got to look at ourselves and become better if we want to get closer and compete with them in the future.
And obviously a break now from the league, the Irn-Bru Cup next week. There are two very interested supporters in Stephen Aiken and Ian Durante tonight, the management team of Dumbarton.
Yeah, in the past, managers have come and had a look, and some have just not bothered watching us. And fair play, we always go up on the train, and I quite enjoy it. I go and watch the games, and we went to watch them against Livingston a couple of weeks ago now, and I always go and watch them, and we know exactly what they're about as well. So looking forward to it, different challenge.
And obviously, from their perspective, they'll be probably worried, and you were saying prior to the game that you're the favourites. Yeah, I mean, when the draw was made, we were favourites to win the actual competition. So I don't know if that's changed. I'm not really too bothered. All I'm looking for is a good performance on Saturday, which will hopefully take us through to the final and be great for the club.